All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018. That's right, folks. It is a 2018 Ram ProMaster 2500 long wheelbase high top with 10,000 miles. Beautiful white with black vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. You got backup camera, power windows, power door lock, super nice. And best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire tread is just over 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter does have some damage, as you can see right there. Let's give it all kinds of looks. Looks-sees. There we go. There we go. That's what that looks like. Live and in effect. All right. So that's your damage. And kind of split a little bit off here because, as you can see, this is a seam. So split a little bit off the seam. No big deal, guys. All right, got some scuffing here on the door. On the molding there. All right, some more dents down here. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire tread is over 12/32. Just keeping it moving here. Of course, you got your power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Got does come with one key fob combo. Keep moving. Turn on this truck. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got your AM/FM stereo system here. Got your AC controls right down below. You got backup camera. Let's see, my guys setting up the ladder for me. Boom. All right, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Mileage of 10,526. Looks good. Lights are on. Keep it moving. Humming around. Let's check out what your rear looks like. Well, first let's open these doors. Let's open these doors first. Boom. Boom. That looks great inside. Very clean, very nice. Floor looks good. Both wheel well looks good. Here's your front passenger. One of your doors and what that looks like. That looks very nice. The door looks good as well. Let's check out this door. This paneling looks okay. It does have a little cracking here, but that's about it. I'll go look at the rest of the vehicle and then I'll come up these ladders. Got some scuffing, some heavy scratching or dent with paint off from here to here. Some more heavy scratching there. All right. Here's your rear passenger side hubcap. Passenger side steel wheel. Tire tread is over 11/32. We got a dent here from here to there. Boom. This door looks good. A sliding door. Check it out. Of course, this is what your side looks like. Very nice. All right. Your front door here looks pretty good. I see a little ding right there. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front passenger hubcap or steel wheel. The tire, there it is. At 12/32. Lights are working. Top lights are working. Let's go around and check out the roof. Check out the roof. All right, let's check out this roof. All right. This is what she looks like. She looks pretty good. She only has some damages here, from here to over here. As you can see, got a dent really. It's hard to see. It's like cove like this. Shoop. All right. They backed up into somebody, realized they were too close to the garage door or something like that. And that's all she wrote, folks. All right. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top long wheelbase with 10,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.